So, as you all know, everyone's been waiting for quite a few parts of the Aerox, and this is how a room full of Aerox parts looks like. So, let me just go through it one by one. So, this is the touring seat, and this is the flat seat that you can see. These are clear air filter covers, the upsized 265 Yamaha disc. Then we have the rear brake hose that you can see here. The new fully adjustable upside down forks just come in. These are TDR front brake lines, and they come in two pieces for the ABS pump as well. The rear wheel with the disc and the swing arm, both of them fully imported. RCB S series calipers for the front and the back. RCB S1 17mm pump. RCB E3 series 14mm pumps, master pumps basically. Tail tidy for the back. This again is another rear brake hose. Some fancy screws that we have here. Some nice grips with barons. The pass light switch and some nice beautiful levers. A huge load of the tire huggers have come in. Let's come to the most beautiful part in the room, that is the full body fairing in white. This is the 60th anniversary Yamaha limited edition body scheme that is not available in India. These are CVT pulley kits with the 12-gram roller weights, with brass inside actually. UMA Racing and Fastech torque springs. One of the first items to come to India, the UMA Racing air filter, which I have not seen anywhere. Much affordable than the BMC air filters. Racing gear to increase your top speed. Tail lights, RGB, and rear panel lights. We also have 8-liter tank in stock. That's the clear CVT cover. ZFAT windshield brackets along with the windshields. Hayabusa mud flaps. This is a special order rear tire hugger. This is a Rapido USD fork. And coming to the rear suspensions, the most important bit. So these are RCB SB5 rear suspensions, which come with rebound adjustment and spring preload. They come in two colors, yellow and red. These are MB2s, RCB MB2s. This come with rebound adjustment. Again, this comes in just one color. This is the premium RCB MB2 black. The most affordable RCB suspension. It comes as a pair. There's one more inside the box. This comes with preload adjust as well. This is the AJI Racing rear shock absorbers for the Aerox. These are fully adjustable shock absorbers at a very good price point. If you don't want to spend that much amount on RCBs, then you can go for this. These are fully adjustable in gold and full black. The full black will go on any color. They come with rebound adjustment, preload adjustment, as well as compression adjustment. Also in stock is the fork reinforcement kit, or the fork upgrade kit that you call it.